show you the chart SMH. If you will see this head and shoulder pattern, so this will be left shoulder. Let me drawing for you here. Let me show something in drawing line so make it easier. If you see a line, so left shoulder, head, and right shoulder, and this is our neckline. Let me go back to I can draw like neckline here as well. So make a hairline here. This is my neckline. Clear? So how much the gap? So when this pattern happen like a left shoulder, head, and right shoulder, so how much the move will be go down? Possible. I make a line here. Let's draw it together. So I put line here. This is the move, right? We had move, and now I remove this line from here and add here. What is I'm looking here? 270, 265. This is by only trend line, not using any indicator. Now we will use indicators. So as I said, I do a chart analysis on the basis of trend line, as my mentor from the Wall Street told me and teach me. So I using a trend line, and also let's go support and resistance. This red line, let me make the chart. Okay, here you go. So we will see here this line come from this indicator called support, resistance level with breaks, Lux algo, but I always change the settings so I will not get a false signal. So my setting will be 25, 50, 100, but mostly when you will see the default, it says 15, 25, 50 or something, 15, 25, 20, you will get more signal. It's okay, you can use that one as well, but I use this one, so less signal. So I'm here. This is my line from this indicator. Turn off. See, no line here. Now back here. So if I will extend this line here from here, where I'm going there, exactly same head and shoulder patterns. So we confirm this way. I'm not saying the price going there. I'm just saying what the chart analysis telling us, what indicators have a probability. So we as a human, we take a decision on the basis of probabilities. And probability, I'm just showing you the probabilities. So this is the probability we have here now. So let me go back to the candles. And this is a Henkanashi candles. So you will see explain exactly over here. And this will be 265. And then I do a chart analysis on the basis of Bollinger Band, Ichimoku clouds, and EMA crossover. So what I found there, let me go to Discord channel, SMH. So this is semiconductors. So why I'm discussing this is very important because all our stock market is right now based on Nvidia semiconductors. So when semiconductors dipped, go down, the market will be go down. So for here, the reversal short 283, 284, and I go up to my target. If I play short, if I'm going to play short on SMH, so this will be my target 265, 275, and 250. Exactly same that we discussed on the basis of chart analysis. And keynotes: MACD bearish, cross on the daily, flattening on weekly. RSI rolling over 60, room for downside. Bollinger Band closing near below mid-band, and bearish continuations. And Ichimoku clouds, weakness visible on daily despite weekly strength. Overall bullish, short term bearish. And then pro tips for chart analysis: short setup, look for lower high formations, shorts when rallies fall at resistance, and EMA alignments, volume confirmations, cloud edge rejections. So whatever I explained here, this is I already explained you. This is my strategy, this is my discipline, and this is I explained you my chart analysis. So I'm looking something entry here. If you If I will not short here, I just buy here. 270, this is a major support level, and 250. Now I go to Nvidia. Let me go NVDA. Go here. Let me remove these indicators. 1, 2, and now let me turn off this one as well. Here. So this is a long-term trend line, as you see here, and now the price. Let me go here. I'm just looking at a video chart. This is important because our market is very big, 3 trillion company, and that's, if it drops 5%, you will see a bigger move on the market. From this line, from April 25th, this trying to touch 1, 2, 3, not 4, 5, and 6 times it broke. So when it touched 55 times, the chances are 50-50. And now 6 times it go all here, but then it makes a higher high here, and then it's a fake move in my understanding, because it's away from the trend line. So go here, come down here. It may go a little up here and then come here. Let's see how much move it can go. Let me see back again here. Okay, so this will be our neckline, right? As we draw again, approximately here, and this is our move here, uptrend. When we have uptrend from here to here, right? So this was our move. This is neckline. This is right shoulder, left shoulder. This is kind of head, and this is the gap. I remove this gap from here and post it here. What are you seeing here right now? Exactly where we have a support, 257 and 58 cent. And my second, this is probabilities. And now, but major buy zone for me is here, 153 and 11 cent. This will be my entry, but you can also do, if you don't want, like 170 is like a big expensive stock, so you can do another thing. NVDS is a bearish ETF for Nvidia, and I can play same thing, but I'm just here spending less money. So my reversal entry 1220 to 1240, and breakout entry 1340. So here, and then will be a dip level over here, and this is my targets. So see what's here in NVDS right now. NVDS. So 1275 my entry according to my strategy. Over here 1220 and 1240 my entry point, and target 14 or 15. So right in my entry zone, and this will be my exit zone, $15. So because this is just a short move, and I'm long term, I'm bullish on Nvidia, so I will not play more than 2 weeks to 1 month, or just buy at if you like to buy stock, you can take your own decisions. How do you want to go? I'm not your financial advisor, but I just give you what the chart analysis, but are on the basis of RSI, MACD, Bollinger Band, Ichimoku clouds. So I can tell you the probabilities, and you can take your decisions. And all these strategies are available on my Discord channel. Here you can get all these informations in the PDF files, and you can study at home. Thank you very much for watching. God bless you, everybody.